test number 2. This test is for rubber coupling. I already stretched this like 600 times, but now I'm going to try a test on the models, and we are going to try to tear it apart. So this is the test, trying to break it, and I know this rubber is not strong, but anyways, I need to try it. It's not elastic as I thought, but it's flexible. Yeah, okay. Let's continue with the test. I hope it breaks soon. Ooh, that's gonna break. That's gonna rip off real soon. Is it? No? I thought it ripped already. It's not. Now I'm abusing this toy, trying to rip off this, tear off this rubber. Might take me a little time. I thought it will be done by now. Oh. For a moment I hesitate not to put it for sale. I'm still not sure if putting for sale or not, but these are wire connectors for the attached tenders. I'm trying to do a test resistance, tear off, trying to break this coupling. Remember, this coupling is different. It's a rubber coupling. So this simulates a lot of use and abuse on this model. You should not try to break it. You're gonna break it, of course. See, it's the same of these hard plastic ones. They are for sale. The hard ones will rip off or tear off really easy if you do this. These are fragile things, you know. Like I say, the main idea of this is trying to break, cut, tear, or rip off these rubber band coupling, still attach it. Same happened with the hard plastic. The hard plastic also worked fine until it was too much abuse, then it broken. But this one is a rubber. I thought it will be done by now, but it's not. I thought it would be gone by now, but it's not. Still working. And I hesitate for a minute and say, no, you know what, I'm not gonna put them for sale, but yeah, it's I want to make it available for you guys if you wanna buy some of these. These, of course, you cannot find them anywhere. I already show you how to do. Just cross the wires in here, between here, put it on this hole and exit on the other side. Well, it looks like the rubber one, it's winning beside the hard plastic wire connecting coupling. Yeah, don't abuse. If you buy this, do not abuse the toy. I'm doing a test. This test is only to prove the strength of these couplings. Yeah, as you can see, I haven't stopped not cutting everything the video, so it's straight, still good. So yeah, rubber coupling is winning against the hard plastic one. Like I say, they will be available. So this simulates like too much abuse, you know, too much abuse on the model. Don't, of course, you are not going to do that. Of course, you're going to take care of your model. You're going to grab it like this. But this coupling, it proves that it's good, flexible. You can see it's flexible, so you can put your models, if you are shipping your models like this, or you are going to save them in a box. Of course, like I say, you are going to take care of your model, so you're not going to abuse. As I show you, it's already 5 minutes. Of course, I stopped it a little bit, but the rubber ones are good, and I'm going to show you. Yeah, good one. So we have here a bunch of rubber ones. They will be ready soon. Thanks for your support, guys.